I can't stop laughing. All the butcher birds have had a feed. Now the Maggies have come in. And the silly buggers, they don't understand. See that container there? Oh, there's one butcher bird still there, having a go. Having a go, aren't you, mate? This is a little young one. Here comes one of the adult ones. You can tell the young ones because they're black. It's less black, it's more grey. Oh, here's another adult. Oh, they're all coming back again. Silly buggers, they don't understand. Soon they're going to all be barking because I fed them dog food. Yeah, mate. Yeah, you. Dog food. You're eating dog food. You're a bird. It's a baby Maggie. Eating dog food. You're going to start barking any minute now, aren't you? Hey? Look at yous. Maniacs. Come on, sing a song of gratitude. Too busy stuffing their faces, that's why. I do love the little fellas. Yeah. Hello, darling. You're going to start barking any minute now. Woof woof. Here comes Daddy. Look here. Isn't it great to see birds of similar feathers but different species getting along together? The butcher birds are the little ones, these little fellas. Clearly they've got a distant relative in the gene pool, right? With the magpie. I think what happened is a kookaburra come along and did the nasty to them one time. Could have been one of those little minor birds. They're little noisy miners. They're not a bad bird to have around, but when they've got young, God, they're annoying. Sit there and bloody squawk all day long. Meep, 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 meep. Feed me, mum, I'm fucking hungry. For fucking hours, little bastards. Anyway, it's cool that they see me as a safe source of food. Meanwhile, I've already picked another zucchini. I only come out here to water them and stuff. And next thing I know, there's bloody a dozen birds hanging around saying, "Come on, Dad, give us something to eat, mate." Can't you can't? Having a little top-notch pigeon, eh? You don't want to eat dog food, you'll turn into a dog too, mate. Cray cray. Someone come and eat the bloody... Did you see that? You should have seen that. He came and freaking swooped the butcher bird. You swooped the butcher bird? My goodness. You legend. Oh, can't see. Too much sun. There we go. Yeah, get in there and eat the bugs. That's the go. You know, the bugs that attack the garden. Picked another chilli too. How good was that? Man, these chilies are going nuts. Find them, there they are. Unlimited supply of chilies now. One chili plant. Anyway guys, enjoy. I've got a hot tub to jump into. It's cold. Because that's the way I like it.